In this video, we are going to learn about page templates in WordPress. This is a great feature if you have multiple pages that need the same layout. Let's say you want to add a call to action to your About page and Services page, but not on your contact page. Here's how you can do it. First, navigate to the site editor, click Appearance, then click Editor. Next, select Templates from the menu. You'll see a blue button that says Add New Template. Go ahead and click that. You'll get a pop-up showing all your existing templates. Scroll down and click Create Custom Template. Let's name our new template Page with Call to Action. From the Choose a Pattern pop-up, select the placeholder pattern. This will pull in the content from the pages to which we'll apply this template. Now let's add our call to action. Toggle open the Master Maxi Blocks toolbar, then click the library icon. In the left sidebar, select Call to Action. Use the arrow button to add it and move it above the footer, just below the content placeholder. We want this call to action at the bottom of the pages. Next, toggle open the margin and padding settings and set the margin to 0. Let's customize our call to action. Add a link to the contact page. And change the button text to Contact Us. Now, let's save the template. WordPress will prompt you to save it again. Just confirm that. Next, we'll apply the template to the About page. You can do this by selecting Edit Page from the About page itself or via the dashboard. For this video, we'll use the Edit Page option. To apply the new template, click the link next to Template in the right-hand sidebar. Then click Swap Template. You'll see the new template name appear in the sidebar. Now, when you click the link next to the template tag, you'll get new options. You can use default template to revert, or you can edit the template, create a new one, or preview it on the page. This feature is incredibly powerful if you have a large website. Any page using this template can be updated in one place, making site-wide changes quick and efficient. Now, let's save our changes and view the page. It works and looks great.